Hello everyone, welcome to Home Insights. Today we're going to talk about another topic pertaining to design and wellness. So why do decluttered spaces matter? And how can we reduce the physical and mental impacts clutter has on us? Is it possible to encourage interior design that somehow reduces clutter and makes cleaning easier overall? How can we make spaces look more minimalist and stylish with smart furniture that gives a neater impression overall? Clutter can actually have negative effects on your mental and physical well-being. Mentally, it can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and feelings of overwhelm. A cluttered environment often contributes to a lack of focus and decreased productivity. Physically, clutter can hinder movement and create obstacles that lead to accidents. Additionally, excess clutter can impede proper cleaning and ventilation, potentially leading to dust buildup and allergen accumulation. So creating an organized and tidy space can actually help alleviate these issues and promote a healthier lifestyle. Our minds naturally prefer order, and continual visual cues of disorder deplete our cognitive capacity, diminishing our capacity to concentrate. The visual disturbance caused by clutter amplifies cognitive burden and may lessen our operational memory. A study conducted in 2011 by neuroscience experts employing fMRI and other physiological assessments discovered that decluttering living and working spaces led to improved focus, enhanced information processing, and increased productivity. So clutter can make us feel stressed, anxious, and depressed. Research from the United States in 2009, for instance, found the levels of the stress hormone cortisol were higher in mothers whose home environment was cluttered. So, a chronically cluttered home can lead to a constant low-grade fight or flight response, taxing our resources designed for survival. And this response can trigger physical and psychological changes that affect how we fight bugs, digest food, as well as leaving us at a greater risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. So reducing clutter through interior design involves strategic choices to create an organized and visually appealing space. So here are a few tips. Number 1, storage solutions. We should incorporate furniture with built-in storage like ottomans or beds with drawers. Use shelves, cabinets, and baskets to keep items concealed yet accessible. Add multi-purpose storage furniture. Number 2, use vertical space. Make use of vertical wall space for storage or decorative elements. Wall-mounted shelves, hooks, and pegboards can help keep items off of surfaces. Number 3, color and texture. Use a cohesive color palette and textures to create a visually harmonious atmosphere. This can make a space feel less cluttered actually and more calming. And then using multi-purpose storage furniture, which we mentioned earlier as well, can be incredibly effective in reducing clutter and maximizing space. So now I'm going to give you a few examples of multi-purpose storage furniture to give you some ideas of flexible furniture pieces that you can use in your home to give a cleaner, less cluttered feel. Number 1, a convertible sofa bed. A sofa that can be easily transformed into a bed is perfect for accommodating guests while saving space. It can also include storage drawers underneath for extra bedding or other items. Number 2, storage ottomans. Ottomans with removable tops can serve as both seating and hidden storage space. You can store blankets, magazines, or other items inside it. Number 3, a bench with storage. A storage bench near an entryway provides a place to sit while taking off shoes and offers storage for items like shoes, umbrellas, or bags. Number 4, coffee tables with storage. Coffee tables with drawers or shelves beneath the tabletop offer a place to keep books, remotes, and other items in an organized way. Number 5, wall-mounted desks. Now these desks save floor space and can be folded up when not in use. They often have compartments also for storing office supplies. Number 6, bookshelves with cabinets. Now bookshelves that combine open shelves for books and display with closed cabinets for storage can keep clutter hidden while showcasing your favorite items. Number 7, Murphy beds, also known as wall beds. Now Murphy beds can be folded up into a wall or cabinet when not in use, freeing up more floor space. And then number 8, dining tables with extensions. A dining table with expandable leaves can actually accommodate more people when needed, and it can be scaled down for everyday use to free up more floor space. Number 9, storage headboards. Beds with built-in storage in the headboard are great for keeping books, electronics, or personal items within reach. Number 10, floating shelves with hooks. Wall-mounted shelves with hooks can store items like keys, coats, and bags, reducing the need for additional furniture that would obviously take up more surface space. Number 11, kitchen islands with storage. A kitchen island with shelves or drawers can provide extra storage space for pots, pans, and utensils. Number 12, TV stands with cabinets. TV stands that incorporate cabinets or drawers are ideal for tucking away media devices, DVDs, and other entertainment items. So when choosing multi-purpose storage furniture, consider your specific needs and the layout of your space. You should opt for pieces that blend well, obviously, with your overall decor while efficiently addressing your unique storage requirements. So did you know that minimalist design encourages simplicity and decluttering? A clutter-free space is actually visually calming and reduces the feeling of chaos, which can help lower stress and anxiety. It does this by creating more focus. In minimalist environments, there are fewer distractions. This can enhance your ability to focus, concentrate, and engage in tasks without being overwhelmed by visual noise. It also does that through visual rest. Clean lines, open spaces, and limited color palettes give the eyes a break. This visual rest can lead to a sense of relaxation and tranquility. And then easier maintenance. Minimalist spaces are often easier to clean and maintain, reducing the mental burden of constant tidying up and organizing. It also encourages mindful living. Minimalism encourages intentional living and mindful consumption. So this shift in mindset can lead to increased awareness of what truly matters to you, promoting a sense of contentment. And obviously, it also encourages flexibility and adaptability. So minimalist spaces are often more adaptable, as we discussed with the example of multi-purpose storage furniture. And this flexibility can reduce stress when your environment needs to serve various different functions. So we have now reached the end of our topic. I hope you really enjoyed this topic because it's something we don't always think about when it comes to interior design or interior style of homes, but something that has a big impact on our health. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you then.